Matthew Explosion here with another Wilds of Eldraine set booster pack. We're going to go ahead and see what we got. We have some cool art here. That is pretty. Look at that. All right. Let's go ahead and flip them around real quick. Right. We have a foil swamp, a little hopeless nightmare, ching, hollow scavenger, leaping ambush, the territorial witch stalker, charade of numbing deaths, ice rot sentry, succumb to the cold, Elevere of the wilds of wild court, which it looks like is that commander rare, mythic. A Heartflame Duelist, very cool. A Knightly Valor is our special card. And we have a foil Johann Stopgap. Alright, very shiny. And a human token. That's not me.